Hey guys, these days we see AI text-to-video generators such as VO3 and are astounded as to the massive leaps that have been taken in the world of AI and robotics. However, when we log on to Google Flow or Gemini, we eventually find that such an advanced tool doesn't come cheap, as it costs about $250 to get to work with VO3. As such, those who cannot afford VO3 must find alternative resources if they are going to bring their vision to life. With that in mind, we have to turn your attention to the text-to-video AI generator found in Canva. With such a tool, your visions are no longer stuck in your head. Join us as we take a look at Canva, the best free text-to-video AI generator out there today. Now, for us to make use of the AI text-to-video generator found on Canva, we are going to have to hop onto the platform. Once you get to the Canva website, you will have to make your way to the Apps page. Once you are there, make sure you click on the Try Magic Media button. Once you have done this, click on the Use a New Design button. That way, you can go on to click on the Video Option button. This will allow you to open the Canva editor page. Once this occurs, you'd find that it's time to make your new video, so it's time to get to work. In order to push on with the creative process, you'd find that the next thing you'd have to do is to click on the Video tab. You can find it underneath the Magic Media panel. To learn more about the features in this section, you can use a sample prompt to get the results that you want. If that isn't your style, you can describe the video that you want to create by making use of your natural pattern of speech in the prompt box. Once you have come up with the prompt, you can go on to bring your video to life by clicking on the Generate Video button. For example, you can ask Chat GPT to create a video of a boy and a girl walking down the street. Just take a look at the fantastic results. If you are pleased with the results of your prompt, you can click on the video so that it will be sent to the Canva editor page. Once your clip is on the Canva editor page, click on the play button. That way you can review what the AI video generator has created with your prompt. Pretty amazing, right? Well, the work isn't done just yet. As great as AI-generated video is, we know that you could always make it a bit better. For that to occur, you could always carry out some enhancement work. The first thing you can do in that respect is to enhance your prompt. You can do this by picking a specific video style, for example. For that to happen, your prompting needs to be on point. Luckily for you guys, we have your back. In order to enhance your prompt, you can make use of the following prompt format: Subject plus in the style of plus video style. Let's try this out, shall we? In our own example, we will be enhancing our clip to give it more of a professional cinematography style. Once you have made the much-needed enhancement to your prompt, the only thing left for you to do at that point is to click on the Generate Video button. That way, the video generator will generate your AI video for you. Just take a look at the stunning enhancement it made to our previous video of the boy and girl walking down the street. Pretty phenomenal, right? Once this is done, we can now see how we can make further enhancements to the video by working on the AI camera style used in the videos. Thanks to the features of Canva, we know we can customize the camera angles of the AI-generated video. From what we have learned while making use of the app, the best way to customize the AI video camera of our AI video is to be quite particular with our prompting. Indeed, it is believed that all you have to do is to include the camera angle in the beginning or at the end of your prompt used to generate the video. Just take a look at our sample AI-generated video in which we used the drone camera style. What a beauty. With that in mind, we can also make some adjustment to the lens style used to create our AI-generated video. Like we mentioned a few moments ago, we can always enhance our videos generated by Canva by being particular with our prompting. Just like when we are editing our AI camera style, all we are going to have to do to enhance our video's lens style is to add the lens type at the beginning or at the end of our prompt. Once you have selected your lens style and added it to the prompting for your video, all you have to do is to go on to generate your video so that you can see the results for yourself. Again, the results are pretty phenomenal. Almost makes you wonder how such a fantastic app is free to use. Aside from the visual quality of the video, there are still other things that you can use to make your video even better on Canva. For example, if you need to add some text to the video, Canva has you covered. All you're going to have to do is click on the text menu. Following this, you select the Add Heading option. This will give you the chance to write the text you have in mind. It will also let you do other things such as adjusting the size and type font of the text if you need to. Look at how this gives more detail to the video. Nice and easy, right? Well, you can even carry out some more enhancement to your text by clicking on the app's menu. Following this, type and search for morph in the search bar. That way you can go on to generate a new text style by describing what you want in the prompt box. Once this is done, you can push on by clicking on the magic morph button. Within moments, you will have several results that you can make use of in your video. Once you find the one that you are happy with, you can now pick the one most suited for you and your project. With that done, you can go on to delete your original text. As you can see, the process is simple enough for anyone to do. To take things even further with your work, you can also animate your text. The process is simple enough. All you have to do is select the animation style from the list available to you on Canva. Once this is done, you can export your video and make use of it however you like. We must take note of the fact the credits are limited when it comes to using this AI text-to-video generator found on Canva. For example, with Canva Pro, you get 53 video credits per month. If you don't have Canva Pro, your credits are even more limited. As such, we have to make sure that we optimize the available credits that we have. Maybe even sign up for the 30-day free membership if you can. With such access to the text-to-video generator found on Canva, you will now have the ability to bring all your ideas to life. Be it making a short video for YouTube or coming up with a pilot for your animated TV show, Canva may just be the tool you need to bring such visions to life. Do not hesitate to make use of this free AI text-to-video generator on Canva as soon as possible.